Hello people, glad that you visited my channel. I'm Shravani and today I'm going to give you a quick glance about the contrast between what is called as a startup and a business. So let's jump right into it. We are in an era where the term startup sounds super cool, right? And most of you might have kept thinking that any business or a well established company is called as a startup during its initial years. Though this understanding satisfies few scenarios, it is not the right differentiation between the two. Having said that, let me give you an authentic definition that is accepted by most of the business schools. A startup is a temporary organization designed to look for a business model that is repeatable and scalable, whereas a business or a company is a permanent organization which is intended right from the beginning to execute a successful business model. Let me break it for the ease of your understanding. Unlike a business or any traditional organization, startups are named after the entities which approach the market with a unique business model and a unique solutions to the current market problems. Their primary goal is to create awareness of their idea alongside striving for the sufficient capital from venture capitalists and crowdfunding agencies. While a business is a traditional way of establishment which keenly concentrates on generating profits but not much about providing any innovative solutions. Coming to the examples, Uber, Zomato, Oyo, Airbnb, and Big Basket comes under the category of startups, whereas retail stores and real estates are considered businesses. Though any organization looks ahead for profits at the end, their approach, strategies, and business models are what makes them apart. Having said all of this, now it's time to let you all know that I'm gonna start a video series about the startups of India henceforth. For the matter of fact that India is the second largest country of hugely emerging startups after United States. I believe that seeking innovative ideas fosters an innovative mind. So for all of that content and more, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.